Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So for today's video, it's going to be a kitchen remodel on a budget and also DIY. So if you guys are interested on how we did this, keep on watching. So this is just the previous kitchen, how it looked like. It was really old, outdated. The walls were bad. The ceilings, as you can see, and this is just us when we put in the new cabinets on the bottom. We kept the top cabinets because they were still in good shape, and then over here you can see we took the ceiling out, we lifted it up, so we pushed the ceiling up. And here is actually when we took out all the cabinets. So before we put in the new cabinets, we had to put in a new floorboard and everything, and fix the plumbing and stuff like that. So and then here's the inspiration of what I what I've visioned, for the kitchen to be like, or somewhat. And here is the final results, or what we have so far. It's not that big of a kitchen. It's not really big, it's not really small. It's a decent sized kitchen. And the color of the cabinets, by the way, are Grey Wolf by Benjamin Moore. It's a bluish grayish color. And here's just a quick overview. I'll leave that picture, that inspiration picture, in the description box. I've actually found it on Pinterest, so if you guys are interested in it, I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. So here's just the fridge, nothing fancy, and then this is just the pantry. I'll show you guys in another video the finished product for that. Sorry, there's cops or sirens in the background, but here's the cabinets. I still have to put the hinges, or not the hinges, the knobs on. And there's this really weird blue, as you guys can see, turquoise thing on the back wall. So we've been having a hard time trying to get that off. So I don't know if I should just paint over it. Let me know what you guys think. And here's just like a little prep station where we keep our microwave or knives, or cooking things. It's like a little prep table where we like chop up our food, vegetables and stuff like that. Just so we can have more space on the countertops. And then again, here's the fridge. It's Whirlpool if you guys are interested in that. Both the stove and the fridge. And here's another look for the countertops. They're Carrera marble, and the backsplash, they're just those interlocking, backsplash. I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box. We weren't really sure what to get for the backsplash, so for now we just got this. And then here's our stove. Yeah, if you guys are interested in these kind of videos, please do let me know. That way I can put in the final product and show you guys how everything came out. Please be sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you guys think about these about these videos. If you guys want to see a whole house tour, or if you guys just want to see the kitchen, because we did move into a new place, so everything is quite different. So this is just me pointing out how I need to put the kitchen knobs on. Hopefully I'll get that done. But yeah, yep. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what you guys think in the description box. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.